Welcome to DevTech Finance. In today's video, we will learn how we can change the rate of interest on LIC Housing Finance. So this video is going to be very useful. Stick till the end so that you can know all the benefits, and I will be explaining step-wise process. So it will be very easy for you to change the rate of interest on your housing loan online. So let's start. First, what you need to do is log into the customer portal. So here is the link which you need to open on your search bar, and then you will be clicking OK and you will be driven to this portal, which is also referred as customer portal of LIC Housing Finance. Now what you need to do here, you will be getting two options. Either you can log in with username or you can log in with loan number. Now my advice will be, it will be more convenient if you log in with your loan number. So simply you will be putting your loan number of the housing finance loan which you have taken and the rate of interest on which you want to reduce. So put that loan number and then put here your date of birth. This is day, month and year. And then you have to put this security code. So you will be given a security code. You need to copy exactly the same. So if that would be in lowercase or uppercase, you need to write it in exact same manner. After you have filled all the details like loan number, date of birth and security code, click on submit button and then you will be driven over here. So this is where you will be sent a verification code. So it says that your loan account is registered. If your loan details, your date of birth, everything was correct, it will mention that your loan account was registered and these are following contact details. So here it is hidden for privacy issues. You will be getting your email ID over here and you will be getting mobile number over here. So once you click on confirm and send OTP, you will get an OTP or what we also say verification code on your mobile number as well as your registered email ID. So once you get that, once you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number, you need to put that OTP in given space which would be provided to you, and then you need to press OK. Because I cannot show you the same display, so I'm mentioning it. You need to put that OTP which you have got in your message or inbox of your registered mobile number. Put that OTP and then press OK or submit or next button, whatever you get. And then you will be you will be able to see something like this. So here you can see that there are many options like dashboard, manage loan, manage contact details. What we are talking about is change in rate of interest. So you can see right here it is mentioned change ROI. ROI is nothing but rate of interest. So you need to click over here, click on change ROI. Once you click on that, you will be able to see all the important terms and conditions related to your change in rate of interest. Okay, I will try to make it a brief for you. You need to read all this once and then you need to accept the terms and condition. So basically it says that you can rewriting or reduction of interest rate is applicable for housing loan products. Now rewriting is nothing but whenever you reduce your interest rate or change your interest rate, the whole loan schedule is created again by the bankers, by the bank officers, and the fees that is charged for that is referred as rewriting charges and all. So the whole process is called rewriting of reduction in the interest rate. Now you can do this for housing loans only. You can't take this facility for any plot purchase or any mortgage loan you are having or any non-housing loan from LIC. This facility is not available for that. So we are talking only about LIC housing loan. Now your reduction in interest rate will be applicable from immediate due date, and what you also need to consider is that rewriting charges will be applicable property wise. So doesn't matter if you have taken multiple loans on same property, so 1, 2, 3, how many loans you have taken on one single property, you will be charged the same amount. But if you have taken different loans on different properties, then you may have to pay additional charges. You also need to consider here the Sybil Score. So it says that if your Sybil Score is very good, which is 750 and above, you would be provided, you can reduce the rate of interest to 7.75%. If it is 600 to 750, you can reduce it to 7.95%. If it is below 600, you can reduce up to 8.10%. Now basically this is provided so it's gonna be useful for many people because mostly they have taken the LIC housing loan at a higher rate of interest of about 9.1 to 9.3% ranging between. So it will be quite beneficial for them. They will be able to save a huge amount in some 5 to 15 lakhs depending on their loan amount. And thus this you need to do, and you need to consider this. You need to change the rate of interest. Now let's see, here it is mentioned the applicable charge. So it is 5,000 plus 18% GST, as I said, per property. So it doesn't depend how many loans you have taken on single property. It would be charged 5,000 plus 18% GST. If you have taken loan for different properties, you may be charged additional 5,000 plus 18%. Now, okay, so these were all the main issues which I talked about. What you need to do is click on here. So I understand and accept the terms and condition. You need to click over here. You will get a tick mark, and then you need to click on next button. Once you click on next button, you will be, okay, so here is just a reminder, accept the terms and condition, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you will be getting to know all your details. So this is just an example of a person who has taken 3 loans on same property. So you can have 1 loan, 2 loan depending on yours. So here will be your loan number, your sanction date, your loan amount, your property address, and what you need to do over here in the property group, just see. So you need to put count 1 if all loans are under same property. So if it is for same house, you need to put the count of 1. If second would be for different property, you need to put count 2. If third would be for third different property, you need to put count 3, and so on. So here as an example which I said, if 3 loans are taken for same house, for same property, you need to put 1 in all 3. And here the rewritten status till now will be pending. It will not be submitted, it will be pending. So here submitted will come once you have completed the application process. So just see over here, the rewritten status will be pending. Okay, so some few steps which more you need to consider is you need to select all the loans to be rewritten. So it will be showing your current interest rate and the interest rate which you can change according to your Sybil score. So tick on all the loans of which the interest rate you would like to change. Then press the submit button. Rewriting fees will be charged. I cannot show the display of that, so sorry for that, but I'm telling you the steps and you'll follow. You will be able to make things possible. So rewriting fees will be charged. As I mentioned, it was 5,000 plus 18% GST, and you need to make the payment. So once you have selected all the loans, you have clicked on the next button and you have pressed the submit button, you will be charged a rewriting fees which would be 5,000 plus 18% GST. It can be additional if you have taken loan for different properties. Then make the payment. You will get multiple payment options through your debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, all would be available. So choose one per your convenient and then make the payment. Once you have made the payment, click on submit button. You will get a pop-up of completion of payment. Your transaction is successful as such. So you can also download the receipt of payment so that it would be used in future. And next, you have to submit the pre-filled undertaking. So you will be getting a declaration after you have made the payment and the transaction was successful. Then you will get an undertaking or declaration or consent, whatever you say. That would be pre-filled. You just have to accept again the terms and condition and click on submit button. Okay, so this is just it's not so clear, but I'll try to explain you. It is consent and declaration. So something like this you will be getting. Here will be your loan number, your sanction amount. Here you need to see that your rate of interest before was this much, 9.2, 9.1, whatever your loan interest rate was. And then after changing, it has been changed to this. So as per Sybil score, it may be 7.75, it may be 8.1, and this all details would be given. And what you need to consider, what you need to do is just click over here. You will get a tick mark, which is like you accept all the terms and conditions. And then you will be clicking on the submit button. You will be putting your name and clicking on the submit button, and your application will be submitted. So this is how you can change your rate of interest. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you found it useful, do like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel DevTech Finance. Thank you all.